Well, hello and welcome to the Adam and Val World Tour. Today we are in Hong Kong. We're in Hong Kong and we have these. These are prawn flavoured snacks. Mi, I think they're called. Mi, something like that. On this world tour, I ain't going to be able to pronounce and read all the stuff as well as I should. But I'm going to try my best. Today, like I said, we're in Hong Kong and we're going to try these. So let's get straight into them. Like it says, the only thing it's given me in English is it says prawn flavoured snacks. Let's open this little bag of snacks up. Not many, it's quite a small bag. Not many in there as well, a lot of air. Don't smell that prawny. They're like little chipsticks. Remember them little chipstick things? Oh, they're softer than I thought they would be. They're not bad. They're actually not bad. They're probably used to put in kids' packed lunch boxes, I'm guessing, and stuff. Like a little snack. Like we have these in England, and I like these little chipsticks, and you normally only get them in ready salted. These say prawn. I'm not getting a load of prawn flavouring, I will admit. I'm not getting masses and masses of prawn. They're quite moorish. They're quite nice. I could easily finish that pack. They're definitely a winner. Mi or Mi prawn flavoured snacks, all the way from Hong Kong. Remember to subscribe to this channel to continue watching this Adam and Val World Tour, or the shorter version, AMV World Tour.